Assalamu alaikum viewers. Harvard Job Family today's second job from Cheaper Welfare Association, a trusted NGO from Karachi. Cheaper Welfare is hiring call center representative, both male and female. Your duty to attend donation and helpline calls with patience and respect. If you can speak Urdu fluently and use a computer, this job is made for fresh and experienced candidate both and apply. Location FTC Building Shara Faisal, Karachi. Interview time 10 a.m. sharp. Helpline 1020. Cheaper Welfare. Subscribe to Hybrid Jobs combining physical and online work for more updates.